Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Fabio and today I'm going to tell you all the truth about this product. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I need to give you a very important warning involving Quietum Plus. So please, pay close attention to what I am about to tell you. Really folks, Quietum Plus is making a lot of success in the market, and has called the attention of several people. On its official website we can find testimonials from customers who really had great results. On various social networks, you can only read about the results and its benefits all over the internet. And the truth is that Quietum Plus really works for many people and it will also work for you. So yes, you can trust this product, and better, you can also have great results by taking seriously and applying every day everything this product promises. But the big warning is, be very careful with the site from which you will buy this Quietum Plus, because it is only sold on its official site. So keep in mind that the original product, which will really give you results, is only sold on the official site. To help you, I have left a link to the official website below in the description box of this video. When you are done watching this video, click on the link below and draw your own conclusions, but first I would like to tell you one last warning. How does Quietum Plus work? Quietum Plus, a rapid boost in sales has been seen for the New Year health capsule known as Quietum Plus. This capsule makes use of a formulation that is supported by scientific proof. The purpose of this in-depth analysis of Quietum Plus is to provide you with the information you need to make an educated choice on whether or not to purchase this product. No matter how old you are, the 100% natural components of this composition will assist in improving your hearing. It provides assistance to your ears in the here and now, and it consistently nourishes them, which helps prevent any harm to your ears in the future as well. To get the most out of this product, you must first get familiar with its functioning. Only then will you be able to utilize it to its full potential. The approach, in its most basic form, is based on naturally existing compounds that cooperate with the innate systems that are already present in your body. The hearing aid Quietum Plus is capable of performing a number of tasks that are beneficial to your overall ear health. However, the specific effects for each user may differ. This helps to enhance the blood flow to the auricle, which is beneficial. The effectiveness of the concoction may be attributed to an increase in the amount of oxygen and nutrient-rich blood that flows to your ears. Second, the antioxidants in the capsule protect against the oxidative stress and free radical damage that are the root causes of hearing loss associated with aging. You need to know that each person responds differently. I say this so that you start off on the right foot, with focus and determination, using the original product. Apply it every day and you will accelerate your results even more. The Quietum Plus has a special guarantee offered by the producer. Therefore, you get a full refund within the given time frame. Should you not like the product, it is important to repeat again that you need to take it every day, and for sure, as long as you follow it seriously, you can see the initial results very quickly. So that's it, and remember, you can only buy the original Quietum Plus on the official website that I left here below in the description box of this video for you, okay? Now do your part and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's, because everyone acts in a different way. I really hope this video helped you. Come back here in the comments later and tell us about your results. It was a pleasure to help you. Take care, everybody, bye.